We're super excited about our latest review. Our business is built on the satisfaction of others, so when we receive a great 5-star review, we're thrilled to share it with everyone. Now we're sharing it with you. We never get tired of seeing great posts about these types of experiences online. We're thrilled to know that we've made a lasting impression. It motivates us to continue working hard at providing the best possible service. So the only real question you have to ask yourself is, what are you waiting for? Experience our service and you'll be amazed. Thank you for dropping in today. We look forward to hearing from you soon. Contact us soon and let us give you the same amazing service.